Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I will show you how you can connect Huawei AM61 wireless earphones. So at the first you have to be sure that they are turned off. You can just spot it by looking on the indicator. It's right here. It's not blinking or just flashing. It means that they are turned off. So right now all we have to do, simply click and hold this middle button. Let's make it. And take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking, on the red and the blue, we have to move to the Bluetooth settings on our Note. Activate Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And when the AM61 pops on the list, you have to simply tap on them, just like that. Now be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, there we get some kind of notification that we couldn't connect, but let's tap and try again. Right now we get the pairing request, so click OK. And as you can see right now we are connected. So even when you get some kind of the problems, just simply tap on it another time and everything will be fine. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.